Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we shall learn how to draw a stunning washing machine using simple steps and easy to follow instructions. Start by drawing a rectangular shape for the main body of the washing machine. Add a smaller rectangle on the top for the control panel. Sketch two circles for the porthole door of the washing machine. Draw a handle on the door with a curved line. Add buttons and knobs on the control panel using small circles and rectangles. Connect the control panel to the main body with straight lines. Draw the detergent dispenser on the side of the washing machine with the rectangle and a small circle. Sketch the power cord at the back of the washing machine with two parallel lines. Add details like screws and bolts to give the drawing a realistic look. Draw the legs of the washing machine using straight lines or curves. Add shading to give the drawing depth and dimension. Use light strokes for areas that are highlighted and darker strokes for shadows. Add texture to the washing machine surface by drawing small lines or dots. Experiment with different colors or stick to a monochromatic scheme for a modern look. Use colored pencils, markers, or digital tools to add color to your drawing. Blend colors together to create a seamless transition between shades. Add a background to complete the scene like a laundry room or a sunny day outside. Remember to have fun and enjoy the process of creating art. Take your time and don't rush through the steps. Share your finished drawing on social media using washing machine drawing challenge. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they are part of the learning process. Thanks for watching this video.